Look at Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and long time no vlog. Anyway, so today is November 29 and karon kinakapang outfit na because we're gonna play badminton. I don't know why, pero nakanaon na lang ako nga murag this is the best time nga mag YouTube vlog ko because ugma na sa kuy lakaw. It's currently 10 AM and naghuwat na lang ko sa akong Maxim. Guys, lapot na lapot kaya ako nag-i-off. Anyway, nga naman na siya para ma-marinate ang ato ang makeup. Diba? If you can't perform, siya forms. Actually, nakiduwa ako. I really don't know how to play, but for fun.
Lagi hiwi lagi kini siya awa. Hiwi kaayo siya. Ay. Sorry. Da. Diliton! Da. Disun! Pakasun! Ay!
Nag-vlog mo ka man kawin? Lord.
Hi, welcome to today's vlog. We are at
Siya agad ang tigkoan. Siya ang
Siyang
nag-pitch
organizer.
nako.
Ang
Which
event
is
organizer.
event organizer.
wedding
Coach.
We are at Groundzero, located at Subang Dako, almost in Tipolo. So it's
Sa bakit
Charot.
gawas ni. Buyan.
Mugagan. Ano ba?
Hey guys, so it's the next day and karon kay ang ato ang side quest kay wala mag-solo ta charot dili ba to siya solo but we're here at Anjo World cause na ay event cause it's their 6th anniversary. I don't know if mo ride ko sa katong drop or what but we're here I think 4th time na nako. I forgot but it's fun here but currently 1:30 or 1:35 kay ganahan ko masolo na ko akong time. Last time I went here, tong nag-play school pa si Avery. That's lakaw-lakaw. Guys, so okay ba as ako? 3 p.m. pa ang event yun. Or like, ganap. Cafe. This is my outfit. First ride na to ang space shuttle and hopefully murag sugtan. Yatay! Matag sugtan tan. Stay ay mga na-vlog pa di kita ka sa kuan. Delikado gyud na magsing. Dire kita man di mata reels. Vlog man ni delikado ang mag-vlog. Oh, kita! Talipong na po. Talipong na ko ba? One Coke, 0 down. Pagod. Sama ni. If you're wondering anong akora,
O asa si Avery. Si Avery na siya sa balay sa Mokita. Like, almost a month na. Because ganahan siya dito because daghan tao. And then, na ito makairo. So, kasabot na sa ko nga nung, like, di siya ganahan mo ulit. Like, of course, sa amo ang kamera duha. Yeah, very isolating kaayo yun. But, wauna ko siya after na mo Solea Uma. Yeah, so mag-Solea na with me. But, kuyog na ko si Isa, and then na ko niyang mama, and kuyog po na ko ako ang tita. So, I'm very excited. Like, grabe, kabisi, like, gahapon ay lakaw, karon ay lakaw, and then, ugma na napay lakaw, like, laban. Niyas ko, ani, because fantasy gid na ako, nga gusto ko mag-Anjo World nga ko, and ako ra usa. Actually, di man din ako ra usa, because maabot pa unya ang mga members, but since I know nga more madugay sila, anak ko sige magsayo ko para, you know, naasad ko like time alone. And actually, nice kaayo nga murag ikaw lang, enjoy your own company. I don't know if that maabot na I don't know if that wala ko vlog for my YouTube, but yeah, nag-Aurora Festival ko alone, like solo, and it was so fun siya, like freeing siya nga experience. So, it was really nice. And wala ko na-expect na makaya to na ako. Hopefully, ma-experience na ako balik. Matang mag-concert si ko, Earl. Oh guys, grabe kadag-ung.
50 ma'am, 50 na siya katokens ma'am. Pwede siya magamit sa bisan asa diri natin. Asa diri?
Ay, layo. What's yung secret, Ana?
Hinay.
Ay? Ay! And dili job ko pang PBV, guys.
2:40. And then mag-start ang like event. I know, parade na parade. 3 mag-start. Then, yeah.
Ay, counted to? Ay! Ay! Thank you! Pang YouTube. Ato lang i-blur.
Naaman na yung ubus ka mo, Jackpot.
Na-shoot din mo dito.
Look, a nice. Di ba sunset pa more? Walang power. Walang power. Kaya ako muna kayo para mapicturan.
I video you. I video you. I video you.
Okay, she's sleeping.
You're supposed sleeping.
Look,
I see.
You're just pretending to sleep.
I get killed.
Yes, Mr. Sun. Yay!
Diriti. Sulod lang na nila ta.
So funny. So it's a cute version.
You're videoing my feet?
Yeah.
Yuck. Not here.
The
We're in. Say hi, guys. We're in Solea. You're not talking.
day.
We're here. Get your shoes. This
is for one night only. Oasa overpack. Oh, what's in here? Yeah, I will help you. Oh, so strong. Okay, my turn. I will change clothes.
Other side, you go other side. Wait for me. Let's go. You wait for me. Pag-edi, okay ka? Avery! I can't see. Thank you. Are you having fun? Yeah. You like it? I think they're in the other pool. Following north? North. Where are you? Wow. It's almost evening, that's why. First time mo anhi sa ilahang beach front because kung nanganhimi kay Bagyo, so yeah, you won. We're almost here. Louder. Beach is so far. You're just hiding it. Scary. It's not scary. Come on, faster. Go wash your hand. Quick lang, ha? Wash na, wash. Wash hands, wash hands. Wash hands, ano yan? Yeah. I think it's a flower. We have calamari. Ow! Careful! I think one like this. Oh no, that's not the yogurt. Sa iya ka na iyo, but mo tomorrow ang chapter guys. Jump! For big kids. You have to swim. What's broken? Yay, it's init na. Come on. Di matig ko. Di mo print? Print? But only one time. Hey, mana? Look at the booty. Wala ko nag-sunscreen. Minsan lang din naman mangingitim, so why not? 1, 2. Ay, na-fuck na siya. 3. Ay, stuck na. We're stuck. White. And red. What are you? I'm a crab.
Oh, it's a crab.
Together.
Together, go. Green. Yellow.
Yupak. Ay, mag-video pa din ko. Bito. Hala, bito na pa din.
Time to go home. Wala na ko ka-vlog because grabe ka busy. Yeah, we're gonna go home, but we have to eat first. We will eat lunch with North.